ആലുവ അദ്വൈതാശ്രമത്തിലെ ദേവാംഗാനന്ദ സ്വാമികളുടെ അനുഗ്രഹ പ്രഭാഷണം നിങ്ങൾക്കായി സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നു.
ശ്രീനാരായണ പരമഗുരവേ നമഃ. ഓം സദാശിവസമാരംഭാം ശങ്കരാചാര്യമധ്യമാം അസ്മദാചാര്യപര്യന്താം വന്ദേ ഗുരുപരമ്പരാം. ഓം സകനാവതു സകനൗ പുനക്തു സകവീര്യം കരവാവഹൈ തേജസ്വിനാവതീതമസ്തു മാ വിദ്വിഷാവഹൈ. ഓം ശാന്തി ശാന്തി ശാന്തി. ഓം ശ്രീ ഗുരുഭ്യോ നമഃ. ഹരി ഓം. Whenever I talk about Srinarayana Guru, Srinarayana Gurudevan signed his name itself is like Srinarayana Guru. Guru means Gugaro Andagarasya Jugaro Tan Nivartaka. അന്ധകാരത്തിൽ നിന്ന് നിവർത്തിച്ച് മോക്ഷപഥത്തിലേക്ക് വഴി കാണിച്ചു തരുന്നതാണ് ഗുരു എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ശ്ലോകം എന്താണെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ദർശനമാലയിൽ ഗുരു സേസ് അനാത്മനങ്കാരാണ ഏന അനുഭൂയതേ സാക്ഷി തദാത്മജ്ഞാനം ഏന ഏവ അമൃതം അസ്മിതേ. സോ Atma means there is one Atma, that is observer, that is awareness, that is a consciousness. Other than that, everything is called Anatma. That is a meta. And Anahangara means that we think we are the body, mind, sense complex, but really it is not. Guru says, it is Irulilirunariyunnathu Atma. It means the observer, that is the Atma, that is a Paramatma it is. That we have to experience within ourselves, in our heart. Then it is not that the other religion, the Lord is something, is object. Guru is not talking about that. He is talking that within yourself, and that is something infinite within you. You have to experience it. In Tattira Upanishad, it says, Yo Veda Nikhitam Bukhayam Parame Yomen. You can realize in your heart that ultimate truth. That is the teaching. Until unless you don't have Atmajnanam, it's very difficult to get security, happiness, significant and adequate. So that you are the source of everything, you are the intrinsic nature is happiness. We are just going for fleeting momentary happiness, that it is not there. In this world, whatever you experience, in that there will be a mishrida. It means happiness and sadness will be there, that you are experiencing through your thoughts. That real happiness you are not experiencing. The second thing is if you experience anything that you end up with unsatisfaction, because you are the infinite, you are going for finite, it is going to happen unsatisfaction. Then other thing is, when you have dependent anything, bandhagatum is called. If you are dependent upon anything else, you will be wandered. So that is the problem also. In our Shastras, you are the problem, you are the solution. Until unless you come to this Atma. The other story is Esanidya Deva Sarvam Pasade Soyameva awareness, that is the Atma. And that itself reveals everything for you. It is called Asti Bhadi Priya. So it is a Guru's teaching and vision is very high, not just objective something he is talking about. It is within yourself. Even our traditions, Trishis, Parambara, and then come down to Guru, that spiritual life becomes simplified by Srinarayana Gurudev. We think it is only for Srinarayana Guru. This knowledge is given by Srinarayana Guru is meant for all human beings. And it doesn't matter that you are a Christian or Muslim or Jews or Hindu. It is meant for that. That is why Guru says that Jati Vedam Madattvesham Medamillada Sarvaram Sodaratena Vadina Madrikas Manam. When you study Bhagavad Gita, when you study Upanishad, when you study Brahma Sutra or Atmasadagam Darshanamala, Devadasagam, you cannot see any religion or anything, because it is talking about the truth, something within yourself that is revealing. The Shastra reveals, like when you look at the mirror, you see your face, like that. When you look into the Shastras and the help of the Guru, that your own Atma is revealed to yourself. That is the thing. When you have a religious person, there is a problem also. When you are a religious person, there is a Dvaita there. Whenever Dvaita is there, then it is Ragadosha will be there, division will be there, individuality will be there, identification will be there. Guru is talking something, beyond identification, beyond division, beyond individuality. That is why his sloka is very famous. Aadamerundin Mahasa Mariyani Yangalagavi Adanam Vadanam Nityam Vadanam Vadanam Sugam. It is actually you are experiencing that in your deep sleep. When you feel that you slept very well. Then you come out with the Hangara and Achana, you say I slept very well. Then you go to deep sleep, you don't have any identification, you don't have any division, you don't have any individuality. So something you can gain in this birth itself. That is the Guru's vision. That is Guru is giving us to gain this ultimate truth within ourselves and happy with yourself. Hari Om.